Hello again. I'd like to talk about two additional things that are fundamental to developing conceptual skills in problem solving and decision making in Japan, namely to develop an awareness of shortcoming in the Japanese language with potentially serious and damaging consequences, and the need to articulate and develop a what if attitude in regard to decision making. First, the shortcoming in language. Unlike English, Chinese, and other languages, nouns in Japanese are always stated in the singular, not plural. Automobiles in English are translated as automobile in Japanese. One might observe, so what? This is not serious. But it is. When a manager to ask a fellow associate to define a problem he or she is having in order to understand the depths of the problems being addressed. The question in Japanese is the singular. Rather than getting a shopping list of all the problems being faced, one problem only will be given by the addressee, and that may not be the most important one being faced. The question is relying on the person being questioned to prioritize the problems or issues faced, something he or she may not be capable of doing. Or the answers might be that problem which is essential to solve, not the problem most critical to the well-being of an organization. Awareness of Japanese language shortcoming is critical to developing conceptual skills, but there is a solution to the problem, namely my second point. Those in position of authority and responsibility must always ask the question of someone who has made a recommendation, namely, what if things do not turn out the way you want, or forecast, or predict? What if? And this leads to an articulation of the hidden consequences if things do not go as planned. Determining these consequences is fundamental attribute of well-developed conceptual skills. Nothing goes planned. The world of government and business is dynamic. Competitors react, consumers react, nations react, everyone reacts, each and every day and every hour therein. Assumptions made today have no relevance or less relevance tomorrow. When a decision is made and actions are taken, all elements of the relevant environment change. These changes can be articulated and forecast. They must be a part of developing conceptual skills which enables a decision maker to look at the whole picture, not just parts. Things do change. Things forecast sometimes go right, but often goes wrong through no one's fault. Developing a skill to articulate consequences of actions taken is fundamental prerequisite to good decision maker. A key part of conceptual skill set. One must have an ability to respond quickly and successfully in a logical manner to a new management environment, whatever the nature and content of the problem or issue may be. In the next presentation, a simple case study is used to demonstrate how conceptual skill works in real life situation. Thank you again for watching.